Today, I am going to show you how to rescue some of your images to make them not look AI. AI images can look too well lit and too perfect. I am going to fix that, and it is easier than you think. Just grab my Boyo nodes off the Comfy Manager. Usual deal for those who support me on Coffee, you get access to the workflow. For those of you who are too tight to support me, then just squint and copy how I made the workflow. The workflow is super simple, and I have put a full set of instructions on the left for you. You can hook up the batch node, which takes bulk batch input from any folder on your PC, or just a single image node. Just drag the spaghetti to the reroute node as per your preference. Then we have the gamma node. The higher the number, the darker the image. Best values are between 1.3 and 1.5. I have added a film grain node that can be bypassed if you do not like film grain. I have bypassed the save node as I do not like shitting hundreds of images onto my drive as I play with settings or doing demos like today. I have made a selection of AI images. They are overlit, and as we go through these images, I am going to apply a thing called a LUT. You may think what the effing hell is a LUT? Well, a LUT or LUT stands for lookup table. Just think of them as a template for what color should look like. As I move the slider and you see the effect of the LUT, I must mention, I have packaged a heap of LUTs for you in my repo. If you increase the gamma, look how much darker it makes the image. This is how you take off the overbright, too well lit look of an AI image off. I prefer 1.3 setting though. Now you got the idea of how this works. I'm going to rattle through the different LUTs quickly. When I first made this video, it was 25 minutes long. That would have bored the shit out of you. So we go in fast forward mode now to see how the different LUTs perform. Not all LUTs work well on every image as they are very content sensitive. There are different types of LUT. You have the cinematic LUTs, the skin tone LUTs, the nature LUTs, the vintage LUTs. The nature LUTs will make your image more green and blue, whereas the vintage LUTs push your image towards the yellow end of the color spectrum. The only way to understand each LUT is literally to play with them. I have put like 15 or so LUTs into this node pack, which have a good range across them. If you notice this next LUT, it has a profound effect on the image. That is enough of this. I need to make some other shit now to try to tempt you all to my coffee page. I hope you enjoyed the easy way to make images not look AI. If you like this stuff, support me on Coffee. Also, come to my Discord to say hi. All links are below.